QUIXX, the experts for surface technology, present the restoration kit for matte headlights, technology made in Germany. Would you sit behind a steering wheel wearing a blindfold? Driving with matte and yellowed headlights at night can be just as dangerous. The weather, UV rays, acid rain, and car washes can make the headlights yellow and become matte. Not only is this very unsightly, but also has consequences for your safety. The luminosity is significantly reduced. The ability to see and be seen is considerably hindered. Replacement of the headlights in the workshop can soon become very expensive. Using the QUIXX Headlight Restoration Kit, you can restore the matte headlights to a clear high luster yourself. The difference between day and night. With QUIXX, not only do you preserve your safety, but you also save money. No expensive machines or attachments are required. Simply prepare the headlight using the abrasive paper supplied. Now, using the unique QUIXX Headlight Polish, generate the high luster finish. Spray on the sealant, buff off, and permanently protect your headlights. Turn old into new. QUIXX ensures genuine retention of value and more safety when driving due to significantly better luminosity of your headlights. Have confidence in the judgment of the trade press and don't waste any more money on needless invoices. Preserve the good appearance and value of your vehicle. Rely on quality made in Germany. Also use the QUIXX kit for motorcycle headlights, boats, or motor caravans. The QUIXX Headlight Restoration Kit for the best appearance of your vehicle during the day and optimum vision at night. The QUIXX repair system also provides other do-it-yourself solutions made in Germany. The paint scratch remover for all depths of scratches. The express scratch remover for light scratches. The repair pen for damage to the paint and stone chips. The scratch remover for acrylic and perspex. The all-metal polish.